Welcome everyone. We're back in the woods today. My name's John. Glad you're here. It's 2 days after the Quad State tornado, and we're going to look around in the woods, go check the trails, see if anything's fallen over, see if we got any firewooding opportunities, which, as a matter of fact, there's one right here. This guy is 60 feet or longer. I'm going to measure it and see what we've got. And once again, our shed was spared. This guy's big. This will make a lot of nice firewood. Haven't made a decision on what variety of tree it was. Looks like the base was hollow and eaten by ants. So there's a lot. And it doesn't look like any leaves survived. So we'll have to get busy on that. May do that later. First off, I'm going to go run the trails with the gator and see what we see. So let's go. see how much of it is rotten. That center's good hardwood. It's just too much work to salvage it. It'd be great for a campfire once it dries out. Here is exhibit number 2. This is across the main lane and it's hung up. It's close to the road. I don't think it'll go into the road if I cut on it. The safe thing to do at this point, if I cut on it now, it'll fall into the lane. Then I'll have to do something with it to get the gator around it. So right now I'm going to leave it and see what else we've got. This is a lane we don't use. It has a bunch of leaners on it, or widowmakers, and has had for some time. There's firewood opportunities everywhere. But that guy's been dead for a while. This, I think, is new. Wow. I've got stuff all over the place. Holy cow. All right, moving on. This tree's been dead for a long time. And that top half came off a long time ago too. You can tell because the wood's not bright any longer. But this is really interesting to me. It looks like a deer scrape. I don't know of any other animal that would care to do that. There's no nutritional value to it. So that's kind of cool. Well, I've been to about half of the property running lanes, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of new down, and of what I've seen down, not a lot of it is firewood worthy, but I'm going to look around a little bit more and see what I find. So I guess it's good, I guess it's not good. That one tree out by the cabin will be, that's a cord of wood easy, and it's hardwood for sure, so we'll get some good firewood out of that. I saw a couple of candidates on the way out here that may work. I need to cut into them and see what the centers look like. Sorry, I heard a hawk and I don't see where he is. Those guys are always welcome around here. We don't have chickens, so we don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. Anyway, we'll look around some more, see what we can find. If you can see it through the trees, the gator sitting over at the gathering place. I was looking around, following the property line, and kind of wandered around, and I spotted this guy from a distance. He's really long and he is really dead, and he has been really dead for a long time. And I thought, oh, this must be an ash tree like I was talking with my friends about. So the bark comes off real easy, and I was thinking, yeah, let's go look for the evidence of the EAB. But instead, when I pulled the bark away, this is what I found. Beetles. I didn't expect that. They are all over this tree. And they are clearly what's eating on it currently. I don't know if they attack it when it's alive and they kill it, or it is an ash tree and it was dead and they saw an opportunity. Crazy. The tree unfortunately looks shot. When it fell, it fractured, telling me that it's not any good anymore. Which is too bad. This would have made a lot of firewood too. Would have been a challenge to figure out how to get to it, because I don't really have a cleared trail in this area. There's a trail up there, but it's certainly not clear. I'd have to come out with a string trimmer and saw and so on and so forth. But anyway, I thought that was kind of interesting. Off to the woods I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. Well, I think that's it for today. Thanks for tagging along. Hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did, coming out to the woods. You got to get out. Get outside. It's good for you. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. hit the like button, click subscribe, tell your friends. I'm very thankful that you spent the time seeing what we're up to out here in the woods. And until next time, God bless.